All right, so I just wanted, we don't get snow here very much, but I wanted to go ahead and do a little video showing how the Tesla's all-wheel drive system works. Now, the thing that this video is really about is actually the tires. So I don't have the stock tires on here. I've changed the tires over to the all-season Michelin Pilot Sports AS4s, and it's just a huge difference. We did have a little bit of snow last week, and my summer tires actually did pretty good. It really wasn't the summer tires, it was the traction control system. But now that I have some proper all seasons, I just want to show how good the traction system is. And the car has been solid on this little bit of, 3 or 4 inches we got today. So I just want to show that. Here we go. So first I want to give kudos to the traction management system. Look at how it brakes this front passenger side wheel once it gets up in the air. And then after that, watch how the rear acts like a limited slip when it notices that those are the wheels with grip. It sends more power there. Excellent traction management system. Then we're going to go to the other side and look as well to see just what the other wheels are doing, and so you can see just how the angle and how steep this hill is. I did stop a couple of times to make the attempt a little bit harder so that we can truly see what the traction management is doing. This is my very first upload. If you like this, please subscribe and watch Cars by Kev on YouTube and TikTok.